There it is. $20 boxes plus one. 20 boxes. Getting picked up tomorrow, supposedly. What you doing? How many you done? A few. What time did you go to bed last night? About 2 a.m. Riding on boxes.
We never share shipping containers or use third parties to deliver. So you can rest easy knowing your box is in safe hands. Did you know Forex has direct partnerships with major banks in the Philippines? This means you can have peace of mind knowing that your loved one will receive their funds as quickly and securely as possible. An IATA accredited travel agency, we have stunning deals to stunning destinations around the world. So why
that's
not
90% of our stuff.
With flight booking, accommodation, car rental, insurance, and other travel-related services.
Yep.
Oh, sir, is it possible can I get back to you? Because as of the moment, I'm still waiting for my box officer to complete your box.
Yeah, well,
No,
it's well. I'm gonna say they're loading their vehicle now. So, but I suppose it's probably going to take half an hour to load. So, do you want to talk to your pickup people?
Or you could have a conversation to our agent, if you would.
Hello, good morning, who's speaking? I'm good morning, yeah. Yes.
Wala pa kasi natin ng Christine.
Oh.
So, wait lang.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Ingat tayo dyan. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, bye bye.
We'll ring you back on the phone.
Yeah. Can I help somehow, guys? Oh, by the way, I'm taking a video. You don't mind by being on video? There's my camera over there.
What do you put in your Facebook or something?
We've got a YouTube channel.
Okay.
It's called Moving to the Philippines. It's only new, but we're starting to get a few followers. So
Is you and Aireen doing it?
yes. Hi, it's Warick. Oh, I'm not too bad. Yes. Yep.
They will ring back for this one. And Aireen needs to make some paperwork for this one too.
Smile for the camera. Oh.
Spin it around.
Where are we heading in here?
Yep, it's got to go bottom. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, all the way back over here.
Where's it heading to? Oh, okay. And it's turning around the same direction as that one? Start it off on its side.
Meron double color, a double flower. Sama?
Ah.
Maganda to. Ano siya, triple yung flower niya. White at saka pink. Hindi man siya basta.
Oh, salamat rin.
Okay. See ya.
All right.
Yeah.
Bye. We're getting there. Well, that's the emptiest that's been in 10 years. The last 6 boxes should do it. What are you doing?
Resting after the sleeping. And the coffee ready, please.
Coffee! Give me coffee! Oh, yeah. Coffee's ready.
Oh, wow.
Rolling.
It's it.
What's going on in here?
That's lettuce with
That is.
soy sauce, ginger, chilies.
Is this Filipino?
No,
What is it?
Chinese.
Chinese? You don't look Chinese. Really? Oh, what's this?
But
Wow, that looks amazing.
Pork.
Ooh.
That's it. I feel that.
Aireen's cooked lettuce and pork things. And guess who wants some tucker?
Okay, go.
Yum, eh? G'day viewers. Warby's got to be in everything, haven't you, Warby? Okay. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed that little installment of us getting ready to move to the Philippines. We've got 90% of our stuff en route in Balikbayan boxes. It was the most cost-effective way. We probably spent, I think Aireen paid about $3,500 Australian to send all those, and they're going to northern Samar, which is a little bit more expensive than Manila, but not a lot. And there was one odd box in amongst the lot, which we were waiting for a price on while we were packing, which you saw. So that was $120 Australian to send that box. Considering the machine inside, it cost me $1,000 Australian. It was well worth the 120 bucks to send it. So that's how we justified what we were packing. If there's more than $150 worth of value in the box, we might as well just send it, because second-hand stuff is just hard to sell. Even good quality things are just hard to sell. So like and subscribe, leave a comment. All these things help towards us making more videos, and we're getting closer. We're getting much closer to our actual getting on a plane. Although we are going to the Philippines in a few weeks for a holiday and a bit of reconnaissance to have a look around. So you'll see some of that as well. So see you guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see ya. Catch ya. Bye. Device overheat. It's because it's sitting out in the sun. I'll probably get a couple of hours out of the battery. I suppose I've run it for a couple of hours.
Has it got a 64 gig?
I've got a 128 gig card in it. This is actually a DJI, and this is an aftermarket housing that it's in. So it's an alloy housing, which I had my plumber come out ages ago, and he said, "Oh, I've got a friend that can